Hello students, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write an advertisement when you require stockists, dealers, distributors. Let's get started. Students, if you are interested in knowing what is an advertisement, how many types of advertisements are there, what is classified advertisement, different categories of advertisement and marking scheme, then you can watch lecture 1 on advertisement writing. There I have already discussed in detail all these topics. Stockists, dealers, distributors required. It is a type of advertisement that is used by the companies who wish to appoint stockists, distributors or dealers for their products. They contain a brief company profile, details of products, duration, and terms and conditions of appointment. Now students, here are some important tips which you must follow while writing an advertisement. Point number 1, clearly state the category at the top. For example, stockists, dealers, distributors required. To let, situation vacant, situation wanted. So under which category you are writing the advertisement, that you have to write in line number 1. Point number 2, give all necessary details. The details which you have to write for this kind of advertisement, I'm going to explain you in the next slide. Once you have written the details, give your name, contact address and telephone number. And students, word limit for writing an advertisement is 50 words. So never be too lengthy, stick to the word limit. Once you have written the advertisement, put the matter in a box. Students, draw a box with a pencil. If you forget to draw the box, then you would lose half mark. Now, here are the value points. If you know these value points, advertisement writing becomes very easy for you. For writing an advertisement for stockists, dealers or distributors, first you have to give name of the business house or company. Then you have to tell the nature of business, area or region for which dealership is offered, specify requirements, that is financial background, infrastructure, etc. Time period by which proposals can be sent, contact address and phone number. See students, when you read the question on advertisement writing, some of the points are already given in the question. And some of the points you can invent on your own, taking help from these value points. Now, this is sample advertisement. A well-established marketing group, business think tank is seeking agencies, franchisee and distributorship in the eastern region for household items and consumer goods. Write an advertisement in about 50 words in a leading daily for the business proposal for the above mentioned goods. Now let us see what points are provided in the question. A well-established marketing group, business think tank. So here the name of the business house or company is Business Think Tank. Is seeking agencies, franchisee and distributorship in the eastern region for household items and consumer goods. So nature of business is household items and consumer goods. So the company is seeking agencies, franchisees and distributorship. and area or region is Eastern region. Now write an advertisement in about 50 words. Word limit, as you know, is 50 words for advertisement writing in a leading daily for the business proposal of the above mentioned goods. So name of the company is given, nature of business is given, area or region is given. Let's write this advertisement. So your heading could be distributorship wanted or distributorship required. Wanted distributorship for a well-established marketing group, business think tank, seeking agencies for Siliguri, Malda town, Vellore, New Town and Haldia for household items and consumer goods. Manufacturers may please contact on, then give the phone number at the earliest. You may also mention the address. One more sample advertisement. Write an advertisement in about 50 words to be published in a local daily for dealership of Hero Honda in the northern region of India. Now students, in this question, word limit is given, that is 50 words. Nature of business is dealership of Hero Honda and area or region is northern region of India, that is North India. So the heading is dealers or stockists required. Prospective dealers may negotiate for the terms and conditions for dealership in North India. We are the trusted business partners of marketing Hero Honda in India. Please contact Hero World for details. Contact number is, then mention the phone number. So students, see, isn't it easy to write advertisement? You simply have to learn the value points, read the question carefully and just write down the advertisement. Students, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and share my video. Thank you very much.